Hi, I'm Katherine. I'm a senior stylist here at Verde Salon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to refresh second day curly hair. To refresh your second day curls, I'm going to be using our rinseless refresh. So you want to go in, spray that all the way through your curls, dampen them down, and then just scrunch them up. And then for your ends, I'm going to use a little bit of our multi-use oil, just a couple pumps in your hands, and then scrunch those into the ends to help with frizz and flyaways. Subscribe for more tutorials and see all the products in the description box below.